It's Jessica Otero from Paris Technologies, here to show you a little bit about the basic spreading methods that you can expect in a Paris platform solution. Now, the next thing I'd like to show you is a set. A set is a different kind of spreading method that uses an amount. So here, I'll show you, for example, we're going to use set. And I'm going to put a ridiculously big number in here just because I want to show you how all this that you're doing is tied in with the model. And we have some graphs that I'd like to show off. So let's say we have 700,000. We'll set it to a ridiculously high number so we can see the chart jump. I'm going to say set. I'm going to refresh. And then you'll see this 700,000 applied across through the rest of the year, just not Jan and Feb, because those, again, are driven by the actuals. Once the month is closed, it's driven by the actuals. So let me show you where this shows up in a nice chart in the Paris solution. So we're going to go to a report, a profit and loss analysis. And this is an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to hit F9. I want you to watch right here. I see that chart change based on what we've just done. So that's cool how the chart is dynamic. Let me jump back because that number I put in was ridiculous. And I'd like to plan for something that's a little bit more realistic. So let's say for customs and duty, yes, our costs are going up. And you can see January and February, it's not consistent here, but I want to budget for something because I do know that our costs are going up for this. So what I'm going to do is put 1,700. I'm going to set at that number and refresh. And now you'll see 1,700 going all the way across here. And let's jump back to our chart to see that same thing reflected in the chart. Boom, there's your chart. And you saw them all jump and change as we work on our numbers. So this is just a quick video about the spreading methods. I hope that it was helpful and that you learned something. Thanks for tuning in.